near to the yung fertility yung period, yung date, and pag yung Y chromosomes mo, no, yung Y chromosomes, yun ang bibigay
Y.
ng lalaki.
Ay,
The chances of a male individual is there.
Pag nearer
Kasi
to
'di ba
the
kunyari
fertility.
1 month, 'di ba regular
Yeah.
ka, 14 15 yung ano natin, 'di ba? Yung peak mo, 'di ba?
Okay.
Oh, we go to the calendar. Naging OB ako bigla. yung peak mo na 14 15, you're talking about the 30 days
Cycle.
calendar, 14 15 mo yun ang pinaka-peak mo. So meron ka pang 2 days before that and 2 days after
After,
that.
yeah.
Oo. When you're closer to that and you have very high Y chromosomes, the chances of a male... pero maamo from 14, 15, we're talking about the 30 days. 14, 15, 2 days, 2 days. Pero 4 days,
Okay.
yung 4 days beyond that, pwede pa rin. Pero the